This is a beautiful birdie. This is a handsome bumblebee. When two people really like each other, they fall in love. They look into each other's eyes, hold hands, and go out for a romantic meal. Then they find a home together and fill it with lovely memories and scatter cushions and tools. At night time they share a bed. They fight over the covers and try to guess where the smell came from. When they really are in love, they let themselves go. And the bumblebee put something tiny in the birdie's tummy. And 9 months came later, something big came out. And they have a beautiful baby. Mummy birdie stays at home and gets terrorized. Daddy bee comes in from work and says, "Where's my honey?" Sometimes Mummy birdie needs a break. For most days, Daddy bee watches television. But every day they love each other a bit more. They watch their baby grow as they get old and wrinkly. And you know what? They wouldn't change a thing. Because that's what love is.